Hello from Helena, Montana. Walking on the walking mall. Walking mall.
I'll get in this.
There's Current. Parrot Confectionery. But I'm gonna walk a little bit more. Then there's this fun thing for the gold rush that was here. Commemoration. Pretty neat. So, up at the other part of the area, whoop, zoom out. Look at that. Fun.
From everything it'll produce, so it's
Wonderful toys, Windbag Saloon. Look at this fun little cart they have in the middle of town. And then back over there's the ice cream shop. They got ice cream and they do have some homemade chocolates too. So, see, hand dipped chocolates, the Parrot Confectionery. We were at a hiking retreat up the glacier. We're on our way to Bozeman. Decided to stop for a treat. So, see you inside. Look at this place. Look at all these chocolates. Wow. Bear claws, chocolate. Dude, this place is amazing.
Yeah, I do that.
More chocolates. Wow. But as you know, I'm here for the good stuff. Look at all this cool jukebox. And here's the old school counter. Check this out. This is so cool.
Very old.
Very old. I love it. You almost got in it there, buddy. Wow. The Parrot. They sell food here too. And they have hot dogs as well. And they also have some sodas and that kind of thing. But what's interesting is the ice cream, vanilla chocolate.
oh my god, thank you.
And there's what Kerwin got. Wow, that's a happy man. Wow. He's getting ice cream first. Wow. Good?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Wow. Got a bowl of chili, which is a respectable bowl. Kerwin got a chili hot dog, and there's no way he's picking that up. The thing's intense. Organic.
$12 hot dog.
It's a freaking $12 hot dog. And killed that Sunday. It's intense. Time to dig in. While I wait to order ice cream. Chili was phenomenal, by the way. We had a scare on Monday. One of the guys in the group, he had some heart things come up and couldn't make it back, at least at first. But we had split up, so we went to where we were going, and we had lunch, and it was a great hike. And then, some of us are faster, some of us are slower. So a group of us, like, okay, well, we'll head out, and then we'll take one car out, and then the other guys stayed, and then they kind of ended up split apart as well, because some people go a little bit faster. Well, me and a couple other guys, we made it to the end of the trail, and everything was great. And then we ended up outside of the park, and then we got self-service, and then we got a text message that said, hey, so-and-so's not doing good. And it's like, well, what do we do? We're already like an hour and a half drive away from the trailhead, and then if like another 2-hour drive or 2-hour plus hike to get to wherever they are. Like, so what would you do in that situation? For me, like I had a moment of, I don't know if I call it survivor's guilt, but definitely like, oh, I should have been there. But if I was there, what could I have done? Like, oh, I should have went back. Like, if I did, what could I have done? You know, I'm not a doctor, so it definitely gave me a moment of like, what do you do? And my buddy that's here is some advice that, you know, as we were talking as a group, like, we did the best we could with the knowledge that we had, with the information that we had in that moment, and there was nothing we can do, but we knew it was handled. So we stayed in service and we waited for more information. So, but that hit me too. Also, like, you know, enjoy every moment, and because you don't know what can happen, anything can happen, like that. You know, as I was driving into the park, that was big as well for me, because I hadn't been there in 2 years. So the last time I was there, you know, speaking of, you don't know how things are going to change, the last time I was there was in 2023. And so as I was looking at the mountains, was going up during sunrise, and like, wow, these are beautiful. Since it's been a while since I've been here, and then it clicked, like, I haven't been here since the last time I've been here, obviously. But then the last time I've seen these very easily could have been the last time. And because, I don't know, a month and a half later, I was involved in a car wreck. Didn't know that was going to happen. Could have easily, like, said, oh, I'll do that next time. But they very easily could have not have been a next time. So, like, a lot of that emotion was coming up too. Enjoy the moment. That's big. Be present, enjoy the moment. And the other thing too is just anything can change in an instant. And, you know, whatever you do, you do the best you can given the circumstances. So it was an interesting day, and that was a week ago. Like I said, we're leaving now, headed back east, but it was a great trip nonetheless, and great ice cream's on its way. Here it is. Wow. Chocolate and vanilla. Oh boy. Chocolate and vanilla. Their other daily flavor, because it's chocolate vanilla and then a daily flavor, and the other daily flavor today was almond brickle, and I really don't feel like getting into that. Best taste, like, for consistency, is a chocolate or a vanilla. So here we go. Chocolate. Oh, wow. That's good. And vanilla. Wow. That's a good vanilla too. Alright. So it is good and thick. Has a decent consistency. And then the vanilla. Whoop, let me eat. Wow. And then the vanilla. It's a little thinner, but it definitely has good consistency on it too. Oop. Wow. Was just good. So, a little bit out of order this video since I did my little speech of clarity, moment of clarity before the ice cream showed up. So I'm going to enjoy this. The flavor. It's not overtly chocolatey, but since it's a candy shop, it kind of has that like a chocolate candy flavor to it, a hint of it. And the vanilla is just amazing. So the fact that they're consistent is big, and that they're not offering 9 billion flavors. You know what they're doing. You know what they're doing. Was that good? So here's one last pan. Vanilla and chocolate. Wow. All right. So before we go, Kerwin went and got chocolate. He got a walnut cluster. Amazing. Since it is a candy store, you know. Chocolate's amazing. Let's try this out. That's good. That's real good. Yeah, look at that. So, yes, ice cream's amazing. Chocolate's amazing too. Wow. So, Parrot Confectionery, Helena, Montana, state capital. We're gonna go check out the capital before we leave town. I'm gonna finish this amazing ice cream. It's a great day. So, enjoy the clarity. I'll see you soon.